Today I'm going to be planting my new herb garden. So I'm going to take my boys with me down to the nursery and we are going to pick out some plants.
Get off my head. That was uncalled for.
This place is really so great.
It smells really Look.
All right, I think we got everything we came for. Luckily, the boys didn't cause too many problems at the nursery, and we got some good herbs and some Swiss chard, and I'm really pleased with how everything turned out today. Here's what we got planted today. Some flat leaf parsley, sage, thyme, oregano, rosemary, and some dill, much further along than the dill I planted by seed a little while ago. I couldn't wait, I was too impatient. So I checked on the herb garden again one more time before bed because it's always exciting to finish a project. Let me know about your herb garden, or is it a dream herb garden? Do you keep your herbs in pots or in the ground? Let me know in the comments.